Okay, so our next step is to get this lathe up on top of the cabinet. And as you can see, what I did with the cabinet was I made this on rollers, so it's a little higher than even was originally was made. But now, this lathe overall weighs, I think, around 400 pounds. So I try to figure out how to safely lift this onto there without too much drama. And certainly we could get 4 hefty people to kind of lift it up. But I think with just myself and my son, it might be a little bit easier to try to just jack it up a little bit. Now normally I might use the header over here and just pull it and just crank it up and just slide it down. But I don't really have a convenient one that I really like, so I'm going to use the old method of just lifting one side up and up another. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift up this side, fit something over on there, lift that side, fit something underneath there, and then lift up the jack to get the expenser higher and higher and higher until I get clear 31 inches. Once that gets up there, then I can just roll it in and be done. That might be the slowest method if possible, but it certainly seems the most controlled approach that I could use. And I think that might work overall as being a safe bet. So you'll see some snapshots periodically as I do so, but that's getting this 400 pounds up there without danger. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get my jack underneath this heavy part right here, tie it up. Jack it up, it's off the ground. I'm going to look over there and make sure it doesn't tilt over and fall over right now. That looks good over there. Okay, that's up. So now, once it's up, nothing goes underneath there because I'd rather have the lathe damaged than me getting into an accident. So let's take a look and get this over it. Move jack 1 out of the way. Come on this side of the lathe to grab my pieces. And I see there's a pin down there, so I'm just going to get that out of the way too. Okay, so this is in the position. I think I can get this up right there. Okay, I think I might jack it. That's good enough right there. So I'm going to slowly lower it back down. Okay. Get this out. So I'm going to lift this up. Okay, good. So now everything is back on these cases now. So I'm going to lift this up as much as I possibly can with this jack. That's the maximum it gets. So let's jack something else up. Good. So I'm going to lower this side up, down. Okay, so back on the case. There. Now, lower this off. Intermediately. This is not denting of the thing. This is just a previous old dent. That doesn't look good. That doesn't look good. Can't say that's the safest approach. This pushes in. Almost there. $29.5 inches. This is 30 inches, 31.5 inches. So I have to jack it up 1 more inch. 2 more inches, and we'll slide it in. So to do that, I'm going to put this all the way to the end. And put this one here. It's a little bit painful. Bottom line is I think I needed more difference of heights in these platforms. But besides that, it was pretty good. We just need a little bit more, another intermediate platform. After that, I got this where I'm gonna line it up and get it down. I'm not sure you learned much on this one. Thanks, bye.